Welcome back to Do-It-Myself Garage. As you can see, I've still got a major mess behind me. I haven't really done anything outside in the garage for a couple of months. Did a couple of projects in the house, but everything kind of gets left out here in the garage on the counters. It's just how it is. Obviously, with the GTO, I was done with the major stuff, so it really wasn't worth running the heat out here to work on those projects. That's all stuff I can get done this spring or work on during the summer. In the meantime, I'm just going to show you here real quick. We had a pretty good winter this year. Lots and lots of snow. Lots of snow still up on the roof. I'll be pulling some more of that down here in a little bit with the roof rake. But finally in the 30s today, starting to melt a little bit. But other than that, we've had a long winter. Anyway, I'm going to get back in here. You know, obviously just got a big old muddy mess from cars going in and out. And like I say, that workbench is really a mess. So we're going to be working on that. And I'm not sure what other projects I have, other than I do need to get this garage cleaned up. Let's get to it. Got out the old reliable charger. We'll put the GTO on trickle charge for a while. It's on 2 amps. I'll top off the battery. I was really bad. I should have had it on a battery tender all winter, but I did not. It really doesn't freeze out here in the garage, and these old cars really don't have any battery draw, so it shouldn't be too bad. Maybe when I get everything all cleaned up here, we'll open up the garage door and fire it up. In the meantime, I'm still working on cleaning. Doesn't look like I made a dent, but I've been working on it. Alright, let's try a cold start. Hasn't been run since November. Good for it. I should have done this a couple of times this winter, to be honest with you. Yeah, she's idling way better now. I had one plug wire I thought was loose. Took it off, got myself shocked. Turned off the engine, turned it back on, and she's running way better now, so. That's why you need to run them a little bit more than once every 6 months. Running way better now. Like I say, I'll let her get up the temp, make sure the thermostat opens, and then we'll call that a day. Can't drive it out here on all the salt and snow, unfortunately. It's been 3 weeks since that first start video, and we had more snow again. And I never did get the snow pulled off the roof, but it's melting. We'll get spring one of these days. It's already the 22nd of March today, so I'm guessing 3 weeks, 4 weeks before I can take her out on the road. Really like to have at least 1 or 2 really good rains to get the salt off the road. So anyway, thanks for watching. Guys, have a great day and stay tuned. There's going to be more GTO fun this summer.